Comrades, fellow Guyanese, for us, the coming into being of the Co-operative Republic was the logical culmination of the struggle for independence, initiated over 200 years ago by our national hero, Kofi, at Magdalenenburg in Berbice. As I have always emphasized, political independence is not an end in itself. Rather, it represents an opportunity to create a society in which all citizens are assured of social and economic justice.
If I think about the ways you make me smile, I'd be sitting here and smiling for a while. Although I know I make you cry sometimes, your happiness is ever on my mind. I cannot repay for everything you've done, but my love for you burns brighter than the sun. No matter where my feet and mind may go, my heart will lead to you and you alone. Guyana, Guyana, I'll be holding on to you forevermore. Guyana, Guyana, may the blessings of God never leave your shore. A paradise so wondrous to behold, a work of art, your heart is gleaming gold. They sail the waters, soar above the trees, to find the gem between the mountains and seas. Your children know we try though we may fall. We stand united now to heed your call. Our fathers fought the fights for liberty. Forever I'll defend Guyana free. Guyana.
Finally, let me assure you that your government considers you to be very much part of Guyana, that you must realize that you have a motherland of which you can be proud, and which at all times offers you a hospitable and receptive embrace. Happy matrimony.
I'll be holding on to you forevermore. Guyana, Guyana, may the blessings of God never leave your shore. Rise up for your land. Rise up, won't everybody stand?